the name Biafra did not come from Igbos.
Yes.
Actually, as far back as 1710,
yes,
you know, the Portuguese had named, you know, that zone, you know, Bight of Biafra or Bight of Mafra.
yeah.
And it went all the way to Equatorial Guinea, to Sao Tome. And at the time, you know, that Bight was in Cameroon, not even Nigeria. And it was, you know, adopted in 1967, you know, and used as a name of a revolutionary movement that will bring about another secessionist country. But we know the history of all of that. But in 1975, long after the Civil War, the Nigerian government adopted for that particular coastal line the name Bight of Bonny.
Bonny, yeah.
Is known as the Bight of Bonny because the Nigerian government jettisoned the name Biafra.
And it's good we set the record straight historically because, you see, this comes from not teaching history in schools. Because I have seen one too many times, a lot of people have skewed history. And Dr. Bat, it's good you set the tone there. When I first heard that comment, I said, no, that's not true. Because I have studied a lot of cadastral maps from the 1800s. I love map reading. And the truth is, you will always see that region to be the Bight of Biafra, named after the Portuguese town of Mafra. That's where the Portuguese started from, 1710. So when you hear that it was another person that put the word out there, it's a little bit skewed. But the bulk of all of this is when it comes to history, let's get it right. Let's not skew it.
Yes.